Let's create a quiz channel, but before starting the tutorial, I want to show you how the other channels are working in this niche and what are the possibilities for new channel growth. So this is a channel quiz monster that is working in this niche. He's making simple and easy quiz videos, but why do people watch this type of video? Because everyone tries to test his knowledge by guessing short questions, and it will also be a source of entertainment and fun for people. The other benefit is engaging comments. You can get a lot of comments because people give answers and their scores in the comment section. This channel is generating almost $10,000 per month with millions of views, which is amazing. Now, I will create a quiz channel, and don't worry if you do not have any editing software. I will make it Canva that is free to use and everyone can edit their video on it. Click on this option, and now there is a complete step-by-step process. Do not skip this part. It is a very practical video. In the first step, I will generate quiz questions from ChatGPT. I am typing this prompt here. Give me 40 countries' names and only a hint for which they are famous. Add them serial Weissen in the table. Press enter, and here our quiz is ready within a second. There is no need to find questions manually. You can generate any type of quiz from here. Now let's create the video on Canva. First, I need a background for the quiz video. Here, click on Elements and search here a background video. You can take any video from here, but I have already a background video. I simply upload my video here. Now it's time to add my short questions to my video. Click on the text and select the font from here. I like this font, so I am adding this here. Paste the question that you generated from ChatGPT and now add some effects in the text. Click on this effects option and choose one effect from here. I like this effect on my text. You can choose any of them at your choice. Now, choose a square shape from the elements and select this shape. Adjust its size and position. After this, write a text here. For example, I am writing this word here. Here I will add my question counter, like how many questions I've done. I am writing a number here. This is my first question, so I am writing here 1. Adjust its size and select a color from here. See, this is a very easy and quick tutorial, and if you like this video, then please press the subscribe button and give a like to this video. For my motivation, I will always bring this type of easy channel making tutorial video. If you are following this tutorial, then definitely you can earn money from YouTube easily. Now let's add a timer to this video. Click on the elements and now frames. Choose 1 frame from here. I am selecting this one. Now type here countdown and search for any timer or clock from here. I like this countdown, but it is in the full video form and I need just its number. So let's edit this timer. First of all, I am cropping all the unnecessary parts from here. After this, simply drag and drop your video in this frame like this. See, it is automatically adjusted in the frame. Here, our first step is almost done, but now I am going to add animations to this video. Simply click on text and now click on animation. Select one animation style from here, and I think pop-up animation is good for this type of video. Add animations to all the text and elements by repeating the same process. I hope this is not difficult for you. Now it's time to add the answer to my quiz video in the next video clip. Simply copy this clip by clicking on these 3 dots and press the duplicate image option. Remove all the unnecessary parts because this clip is for the answer to the question. Now reveal the answer, click on elements, and add a frame here. Let's add this frame. Adjust its size and keep this frame in the center of the video. Now add the flag in this frame. Simply go to the elements and search here the United States because our answer to the question is United States. So I am putting this flag into this frame. Perfect. See, it is perfectly fitted in this frame. Now I want to animate this frame and know how to animate an object in Canva because I already told the step at the start of the video. And if you are watching this video without skipping, then definitely you know how to do it. Wonderful, our template is ready in this niche. You need only 1 or 2 templates. After making a video template, you need to just copy and paste the previous template and change the text only. But there's a need for voiceover because without voiceover, quiz videos will not look engaging. So I want to add a woman's voice to this video. I am using Lovo because it is very easy to use and there are a lot of voice actors here. And you can use other voiceover generator tools also. Now choose one engaging voice from here. I think it is good, simple, paste your script here and generate the voiceover. but I am adding some more words to the script. For example, I am writing this intro for my quiz video. Now just generate a voiceover and download it. In the next step, I need background music. Go on Pixabay and download the background music from here. This is free to use. You can take any sound effects and music from here and use it in your videos. Upload music on Canva, but before uploading music, upload the voiceover and adjust the questions and answers according to the video clip. My video template is ready, and if there is a need to add more questions, just copy and paste the template and edit its text and flag only. You can generate the bulk of videos by creating one single template. Now add the background music, adjust its size, and reduce its volume from here. Our video is almost ready now. Complete your editing by adding quiz questions and answers. You could generate a logo quiz by using this template. For example, if I want to make a logo quiz video, upload the logo and animate this. Repeat the whole process, and within a few minuets, your quiz video will be ready. And now let's make an eye-catching thumbnail. Click on Create Design, and now click on the YouTube thumbnail. Here first I need a background color, and in the quiz niche I prefer a light color combination. So I selected this color for my background. Add some text on the top, but first of all choose a shape. Go to Elements and search here Rectangular. Select this shape option and adjust its size like this. Choose the color for your rectangular band. I like this red color, and now write a text in this rectangular band. For example, I am writing this text, guess the country. You can write anything according to your video topic. But remember, always write short and some quizzed type text, and don't fill your thumbnail with a lot of text and logos. Try to use fewer words and images because fewer elements will add more suspense to your thumbnail. Now, I want to add some flags in my thumbnail. So add the frames first, click on Elements, and search here for rectangular frames. Choose one frame from here. I like this frame. Now add multiple copies of the first frame and adjust their size and positions. You can add more frames, but I think 6 frames are enough for my thumbnail. You can add more if you want. I simply copy one frame and paste it one by one like this. Now add some flags in these frames. I already have some flags, so if you don't have them, simply you can download them from Google. Search the country name on Google and download any country flag from here. Now upload all the flags on Canva and adjust them in your frames like this. This is a very simple and easy way to create thumbnails, and you can save this template and create more thumbnails by editing just texts and logos from here. My thumbnail is ready, and download this thumbnail by clicking the share button. So, in a few minutes, my thumbnail for quiz video is ready. I hope you like this. Now this is the final result of the video.
You have only 5 seconds to guess the country name. It's United States. Guess the country. It's Brazil.